This is the Gemfield mining claim near the town of Goldfield in southwestern Nevada. This place is highly prized by flintknappers and rock hounds for the high quality jasper that comes out of the pits. And this is our campsite just adjacent to the mine. People have been collecting high quality jasper here for decades, myself included. Prior to that, Native Americans were using this material to make knives, arrowheads, and scrapers. The mine is actually on BLM land, but the owner of the claim brings in a dozer every now and then, turns the soil over so that the collectors can find it easier to actually find some good quality stone. I've made 4 or 5 trips out here in the past, around 15 to 20 years ago, to collect rock out here for my flint knapping hobby. But it's been about 15 years since I've been out here, and I was kind of surprised to see that there seems to be as much rock as there ever was.
This is Gemfield jasper. This is what everybody is mining out here. Pretty nice jasper.
Sometimes called bullseye jasper, as you can see in this piece. Here's some points I made years ago. They're all Gemfield jasper except for the coyote. Here's a couple more on the bottom and also the 2 in the right center. And these 2 in the middle are also Gemfield jasper, really pretty stone. And the piece in the very center, that's also Gemfield, really high quality piece there. And here's our campsite again, and as we head out past the campsite and bank to the left, you can see the pits right about in that area right there. And there's some more up ahead over there in the center. And there's a couple of pits behind also. There's actually high quality materials scattered everywhere for about 1/4 of a mile in all directions. And I've also seen arrowheads from the Native Americans just laying around out on the ground out there, so this was highly prized by them. In addition to the arrowheads that you occasionally find, there's also petroglyphs on the rocks around this area. And here you can see a couple of people collecting rock as I fly nearby.